What's up, everyone? Welcome back to What to Open Next. I'm your host, John Parker, and I wanted to show you this really cool thing. Got an idea because as a Pokemon Shed, he had this button that when you hit it, it would go meow meow meow, little air horn like thing. And I'm like, dang, that's awesome. So I looked it up, and I was looking at some sound effect things, and ended up finding this little guy right here. And it's got 16 different ones, and I was like, oh, cool. So I wanted to introduce it to you guys, so other than that, this will be used for like videos and for the live stream. So it's like, whenever we get to a certain point when we're opening packs or whatever, we could be like, oh yeah, we could, little clapping sound. And then number 2 is and then that'd be if we don't pull something great, and then also, oh no. Then we got a rocket. Yep. Alright, now we get some. Or when we pull something like really good. Or if we're about to introduce something, we could be like, yeah, and then we got the music. And if we get an idea of a nice looking card, maybe a scary card. Then we got last one right here. Alrighty guys, well, without further ado, that is the Soundbox. 16 different effects. Appreciate you stopping in. Hope you have a great day. Definitely have a great day, night, evening, week, weekend, afternoon. Happy holidays. Love you guys. Appreciate every single one of you being here. And I will see you on the next one.